Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail name in just a few seconds using your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on Manage Your Google Account. Once it opens, go to the Personal Info section. Now, tap on your name. You'll see your current first and last name here. Simply remove your old name and enter your new first and last name. After entering the new name, then tap on Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your new Gmail name will now be updated across your entire Google account. And that's how you can easily change your Gmail name on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.